by the Spirit of God. These are sons of God. For ye did not receive the spirit of bondage again to fear, but you received the spirit of adoption, by whom we cry out, Abba, Father. The Spirit himself bears witness with our spirit that we are children of God, and if children, then heirs, heirs of God and joint heirs with Christ, if indeed we suffer with him, that we may also be glorified together.
Amen. I was young, now I'm older, but I think it all over. You were with me then, and you're with me now. If there's one thing I know, you never let me go. I ran from things that caught up, wish I knew what to call up. Abba, you were my father. Abba, you are my father. Abba, you are my father. Abba, you are my father.
God, I know you're out there listening. All my friends let me down for real. Father, what is it I'm missing? 'Cause you're the only one that can heal these wounds, mend my heart, brand new start. Show me real love when it's all over. Fill my cup with so much. When I felt like I was done, you drew me closer. You are my father.
Abba, you are my father. Abba, you are my father. Abba, you are my father. You have always been there for me. You have always been there for me. For me. For me. For me.